All right, in this video, I want to talk about the Enum data type available under variables. Now that's short for enumeration. So let me create a new variable and I'll call this my enum, like so. Now an enum is really just an enumerated list, or a list that is associated with some sort of a number. And these are more often than not used to control some type of listed setting. So for example, I'm going to take my data type and set it over to blend mode, like so, and I'll compile my blueprint, and notice under my default values, my enum can have settings of opaque, masked, translucent, additive, and modulate, which are the blend mode settings available within a material. So this is convenient when you need to either store or set some setting that is available on an existing object. However, there may come some times when you want to create your own list of enums. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let me drag my blueprint window out of the way, and somewhere here in my content browser, I'll just go ahead and do it under the blueprints folder. I'll click on new and jump down to miscellaneous, and you should see enumeration. So this is a list of named values. So I can click this and I'll call this my enumeration asset. And we'll double click that. And that brings up the enumerator editor. So now all I need to do is create this list. So let's click on the new button and we'll just give this a name. We'll call this first list entry. And then I'll click new again and we'll give this something totally random like pumpkin. And then one more, and I don't know, I'm kind of hungry, so let's do cheeseburger. So you could have a blueprint that checked to see if cheeseburger was set to true, and then you can make your character happy. So we'll go ahead and click the save button. I can close this out now. As a matter of fact, just to be on the safe side, I'm actually going to reopen my entire blueprint. So let's open up the variable workshop that I was working with earlier. And here it is. So now I can take my my enum variable that I created earlier, and let's set its variable type. Underneath enum, we should see my enumeration asset. There we go. And if I compile, you'll notice that the values include first entry, pumpkin, and cheeseburger. So I could grab those and I could set that or pull that information from anything else. So that is a really quick look at enumerations. If you're just getting started in blueprints, you probably won't need to use these very often. But when you do need them, they are quite handy. Also, I want to mention that an enumerated list is a numbered list, and if you're working with those numbers under the hood for any reason, they are going to be zero based. So in this case, first list entry would associate with the number 0, and pumpkin would be the number 1, and cheeseburger would be the number 2. So again, that's a quick look at enums. That'll wrap up this video. Thank you very much.